This is a 2008 ES350, and the check engine light came on saying the number 4 cylinder has a misfire. So to test it out, first you got to take off this engine cover. So my check engine light says this coil or spark plug is bad. So what I'm going to do is take this coil, put it here in the number, these are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to take the number 4 coil, put it in number 6 slot, and see if the check engine light starts saying that number 6 is misfiring. If that's the case, then it's this coil that's bad. If it's still number 4 that's misfiring, then that probably means the spark plug is bad. So let me go ahead and take this off. First you got to take off these 10mm bolts. I already have them loosened. You'll need a socket to do that. Then you just pinch the little clamp. You probably need a little pick if it's as stubborn as mine. I'll be right back. So you can put a pick under here, give it a little lift, and then pull the connector off. Same with this one. Oh, this one actually just snapped off. Sometimes they'll get so old that the plastic is brittle enough to just snap off. You might want to get all this trash out of here too so it doesn't fall in there. There's number 4 coil. This is the number 6. So I'll put the number 6 here, and I'm going to put the number 4 where number 6 was. And I'm not going to put the, well, I am actually going to put the little bolts back in because it'll hopefully force it down onto the spark plug tighter. And then plug your connectors back on. And now I'm going to go start it up and see if a check engine light comes back on, and then I'll bring out my code reader. So I'm in the car, connected my code reader, don't have your foot on the brake, and put the car into accessory mode by pushing the start button twice. So your light should be on the dash. Now I'm going to clear out the previous code I had. Okay. Now I'll turn off the car, or the power at least. I'm going to start the car and see if the check engine light comes back on. I'm feeling a vibration that I was feeling before, so I'm guessing it's going to be the number 4 plug, but let's see. So after the car warms up a little bit, I'm gonna start revving it, because that's when the check engine light came on. That's when it gets up to around 2,000 RPMs. There it is. So I'm gonna go back onto my code reader, go up to read codes, stored codes. Oh, there are no stored codes. Hold on. Pending codes. Oh, again, yeah, so it's saying cylinder 4 again. So that's the spark plug. So I'm gonna run up to the store and get a spark plug and come back and swap it out. Well, I hope that's a way you can diagnose your issue. Let me go get the spark plug and we'll find out. Okay, I just picked up a new spark plug. It's an NGK Iridium. Insert this. I'm gonna use my telescoping magnet to guide it in so it doesn't slam in. And you don't want to tighten it very, very tight, but once you get it hand tight, just give it a quarter turn more past that, and that should be good enough. Put your coil pack back on. Put your connector on. Don't forget your little bolt. I have misplaced that bolt. You put the bolt on. Make sure everything is nice and snug. You go reset the codes again. Just push this twice to make it go into accessory mode. Still saying cylinder 4. So I'm wondering, I need to do a little more research, but I wonder if this is either the injector for number 4s, maybe not spitting out enough fuel, or maybe it's the whole fuel pump. I'm not sure. I had a 2007 Sequoia and had the hardest time figuring out what the code was. Or the code said it was running lean, and so I thought it was the injectors. I had the injectors cleaned. Nothing, long story short, nothing worked except the fuel pump. So sometimes the fuel pump can lead to different codes, but I'm going to do a little more research and see if anybody else had an issue like this. If you have the same issue, please comment and let me know if you fixed it. Thank you. Well, I'll be damned. Talking about injectors, I came to take a look and see where the injectors were, if I could look at them. So I came here to unplug this, and I just noticed it's been chewed on. Looks like some rats got to it. So the fuel is probably not getting a cylinder 4, and that's causing the misfire. So check your wires and put some rat repellent around your car. All right, hope this helps. Thank you. So the rats chewed on a wire that connects the fuel injector. So what I did was I snipped off the other wire as well. Then I bought this off Amazon. Next step is to put the